So I'm going to be recording my monthly video. So yeah, that same video I do monthly, which is me Sephora Playbox. So yeah. As I like get a sticker on the bottom. So this is the July one. I'm gonna open for you guys, of course, on camera, because what kind of person would it be if I didn't? So I'm just taking a nap file because it's currently what I've got on me. Just to, okay. There it goes. Kind of like a letter opener, just open it up. So obviously they've like redone the packaging and it's great. So like first when you open it up, that's of course what you see. Oh my gosh, as I drop everything everywhere. And there's this thing which has all the information on it. As I was saying, we have this little paper which has like everything on it. I'm actually gonna I'll just leave that on for now. But so this is what it looks like. This month's themes is the good stuff, and as well, I'm reading this from the back side over here because there's a little blurb here. This says none of this month's selections contains parabens, palladiophates, whatever those are. I'll put the word somewhere on the screen, and sulfates. So that's good. They have three best-selling products on here as well. So let's get right into this. So this is a little bag it comes in this month. It's just a white bag with a red strap on it, or red cord. So the first thing I'm pulling out is this month's bonus. It is the I don't know how you want to say it. Roscargo Blow Dry Perfection Heat Protectant Cream. So it is a heat protector that you put on before, I'm assuming. Apply 1 to 2 quarter sized amounts onto damp hair evenly from root to tip. Blow dry and style as desired. Heat protects up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It also, I'm also reading this from the blurb over here. The little sheet, there's a little blurb on it about it. It says that this protects strands. This plus it protects strands from UV rays. Yeah. So that's good. Next thing is this Kiehl's, I don't know how to say it, Kiehl's, which I actually have something of, and it's like it's like a face wash thing, and it's amazing. This is the Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Oil. I don't know exactly what it does. We can read the side of the box. But it's just like a little bottle of like oil, essentially, is what it is. Oh, and it smells so good. So good. Okay. Anyways. So, it has ultra concentrated vitamin C oil that brightens even skin tones and reveals smoother, younger looking skin. Okay. So it's just like a moisturizer basically, but it's a face oil. Cool. Next is something I already have and I love it so much. And this is the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush brush in Parte. It's like a exclusive to Sephora, and it's so good. I actually have a small size like this that I got as a birthday, like one of their birthday things, and it's so nice. So yeah, totally recommend it. So yeah, there's that guy. Next is, ooh, another Tarte product, and another Tarte product. I actually love Tarte stuff, so this is really a treat for me. So this is the Marine Streak, or this is the Color Splash lipstick from the Rainforest the Sea collection in Salt Life, and then there's the color of it, and I'm actually gonna just swatch it for you guys. So that's what it looks like. Maybe I'll just, it's very creamy. But then again, not really surprised that it's that creamy because it is Tarte and Tarte's products are so creamy. This actually matches so well, if you can't tell. Like, I actually have shades in this color. They're really close to it, so this is nice. I like it. Okay. Moving on. Next, I have the BioSense. Oh gosh. Sequinel and probiotic gel moisturizer, and it hydrates, brightens, and balances skin. So I'm guessing it's got something to do with pH. So this is a little bottle. It's so cute and tiny. I love like getting like sample moisturizers and stuff. Like, and it doesn't smell like anything. It straight up smells like lotion. So yeah, that's always good. Next is the LGS Genus Liquid Collagen. And these are the ones that I like have to read. This is one of the ones I'm gonna have to read from the thing. So it has naturally sourced microalgae oil beads, which penetrate the skin in an anti-aging formula that visibly reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Oh, that's cool. So yeah, so this is it. It's like a small little guy. It's so cute and tiny. I'm sorry this is like a weird camera angle, but I'm like not in my usual filming setup, as you can tell, because I'm sitting in a chair, and I was like, I'm too lazy to go upstairs. So yeah, that's it. So there's 6 products. You always get 6 products this month. So every month. So I'm gonna tell you guys the best-selling products. So the Tarte Amazonian Clay blush and party is one. The Pores Wild Rose Vitamin C Active Brightening Oil is another one. And the last one is the LGS Genus Liquid Collagen. So if they're best selling, they must be good. I'm telling you, this blush is amazing. So if you have the chance, go and pick it up because I love it. And these all of Tarte stuff are like natural vegans, or made with natural ingredients, and they're like vegan, and so they're like really great. So yeah, of course, go check out Tarte. Check out all of these products. Of course, I'll link down below as to where you can get your own Sephora playbox if you so want. So yeah. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Be sure to, as I put everything away. So yeah, anyways, as I was saying, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below as to some makeup products you like, as well as skincare products, because that's like the theme of the like for the month. It's like every month I like want to know what you guys use like skincare wise and stuff, because I want to try new things and like, you know. So yeah, let me know down below favorite makeup and skincare brands as well as products, and then be sure to also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you haven't, I'm like, come on guys, subscribe, like my channel's lit. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.
So I just had to let you know the way that Gucci look on